Hello everybody, Alex from Model Airport Nation here, and today I have an awesome unboxing for you guys. I've been waiting over a year, more than that, for this unboxing. So without further ado guys, let's get right into this video. As you guys can see, I have two giant boxes here from Clipper Models. This has the entire Denver tent terminal in it. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Feast your eyes on this artwork. Wow, that's super cool. Definitely going to probably hang this up on the wall here. Absolutely amazing. And then we'll go ahead and unbox it. Now it does say the 1995 version of it, although I do have the garages and everything else to make it more kind of more of a modern day Denver airport tent terminal. So as you can see, it's packed very nicely here in the two boxes. We do have Denver 1 to 400 scale, all the parking garages. Look at that. As you can tell, that's probably why the price of this thing is so much, because you do get the parking garages. Now these are done flawlessly. Look at this. Incredible. All right. You guys probably thought you'd never see so many garages. I never thought I would either. This is what it takes to have Denver International Airport 1 to 400 scale with the parking garages here. So we're going to go ahead and get the main part together first, and then the garages on the sides. So stay tuned. So we do have the model all together here. 1 to 400 scale model project was displayed at Airliners International 2026 here. Now this is based off the 1995 built Denver tent terminal. I'm trying to modernize it to 2026 as well, as you guys can see. Absolutely amazing here. I am going to put a strip of LEDs down the middle too, so you guys will be able to see it lit up too at night, which is absolutely incredible. I will be getting a few more details from Clipper, of course, to complete this side, as well as a hotel eventually, and more of the tent structure along here as well. So stay tuned for that, as well as roads, of course. So super cool. I do have Tarmac designs over here as well. Shout out to Tarmac. This was also displayed at Airliners International 2026 as well. Tarmac did an amazing job on this. I'm going to be putting it together as well, respectively, and comparing the two here in a moment. But this thing is just so large, I had to get it all on here just to see. I couldn't even put the remaining few garages here added to it just because it's so large. So I'll see how I'm going to lay this out, and obviously attach the Sky Bridge from Clipper Models to Terminal A. But like I said, we have a few more pieces to come from Clipper. But other than that, guys, absolutely amazing details here. Clipper also was nice enough to send me a model of Denver. This is kind of an overview of what we're doing here, as you guys can see. Absolutely incredible. Obviously way too big to fit in my room here, as you guys can see, but definitely can fit some of it, or kind of a smaller down version. I'm thinking of doing a version kind of like maybe the middle, kind of like this, just because it's really long to try to fit these parts here as well. But we'll see what we can do. Eventually want to try and fit it all together someday, of course. But right now, we'll see. But let's just get a nice detailed view of the little model. Wow, that is incredible. Actually, a lot of detail actually in this, guys. If you actually like take a look, definitely going to be hanging this up. This does have a frame on the back side too, so I'll definitely be hanging this on the wall so you guys can all see this in all my videos. So super cool. Thank you, Clipper. Now I did go ahead and add my own lighting system here. This is something that you can get from Target even. That's where I got this. So I just planted it inside of here. Then you basically just plug this in with the remote. Turn it on. And you can obviously do whatever color you want to do. I can do it for different holidays too if I want to showcase. But here is the standard white from this. And let me point these lights away so you guys can get a better image. I also have some photos on my Instagram as well, and TikTok videos. Look at that. Absolutely iconic. I do need to push these together a little bit more too, obviously. But you guys get the point. Looks super nice. excited to add more to it in the future here. I know Clipper's eventually going to do the hotel as well. We have the bridge here, obviously, and more buildings to come. I thought the roads were supposed to come with this, but I guess they do not. But that's okay. They're going to be printing them in the future anyways. So absolutely iconic, though. You guys can check out their website to purchase this. I'm sure you could probably get this without the garages, too, if you wanted just the main portion, too. I do have the tent parts here, just like on Tarmax here, coming. I guess they forgot to ship them out, but they will be coming. So I'm very excited for that. But I think in the meantime, I will showcase the Tarmac display here, because I'll be making a whole layout around the hotel and everything, which is going to be super cool. But yeah, guys, check out Clipper's website here. Some information. Absolutely iconic. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying.